Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change Google Photos backup account. You have to start by open Google Photos application. Then click at the profile icon at the right top. Go to the Google Photos settings and click at the backup. And right here we have backup account, so just tap on it and then select another one. And that's it. But if you not see this account here, or maybe you wanna just change Google account, not backup account, you need to go back. So click at the profile icon right here. As you can see, I have this another account, so you can click add another account to add this account, or to change, just tap another account. And now, as you can see, I use this one. But you also need to check, you need to go to the Google Photos and backup and check backup account for this new account. As you can see, I use another one, so we need to change it. And now that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!